Thanks, Jerome. There are conflicting positions from the Jamaica Administrative Athletics Association and the Jamaica Olympic Association about which body is responsible for long layovers experienced by members of the team to the recent Olympic Games. The Jamaica Olympic Association insisted on Thursday that it is the J3As which makes its own arrangements for travel for its delegation, with the invoices paid by the JOA, but the J3As is maintaining that the arrangements were made by the JOA. Denise Walters explains.
In an interview on Wednesday, track and field team manager Ludlow Watts told TVJ Sports that it was the responsibility of the Jamaica Olympic Association to book tickets for the delegation. But in a statement on Thursday, JOA CEO Ryan Foster explained that it was decided and communicated to all stakeholders on June 23 that each member association would handle their own travel arrangements directly with the JOA's travel partner. He said that the JOA's main role in that instance was one of financing in order to ensure that all invoices were settled. According to Foster, further communication was made on July 6 in writing, noting that the JOA had made adequate preparation with its travel partner to account for any long layover which could result in the team having to overnight. All participating members were also encouraged to consult with the COVID-19 team in order to ensure that any layover resulting in them leaving the airport space would not affect their activity plan and their COVID status, and in any instance their current PCR test status. Foster further added that the JOA and its travel partner had handled and paid for hotels to accommodate for long layovers once those requests were brought forward to the JOA's attention. Foster asserted that to date, the JOA's travel partner has not refused any request for hotel accommodation to account for any layovers for the Games. But Watts is maintaining that the J3A had nothing to do with bookings and the track and field body has not had any such issues when the responsibility falls on them.
What we just want Jamaica to understand, when the J3A travel the team, the J3A provides suitable accommodation. If they are long layover, as what we did the last time, we provided some rooms for some of the athletes so they could shower and leave their luggage if they want to do a little shopping in the city, and we provide accommodation and per diem for that additional meals. That's what the J3A does. This experience it was not associated with the J3As. Those were expenses, those were events managed by the Jamaica Olympic Association.
When TVJ Sports reached out to Trafalgar Travelers, the CEO Conrad Graham confirmed that bookings were done by the various sporting associations while payments were taken care of by the JOA. Graham also indicated that members of the delegation were aware that due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the availability of flights, there was the possibility of long layovers. He also confirmed that members of the Olympic delegation had made hotel reservations through the agency. TVJ Sports also understands that members of the JOA also had long layovers on their travel to and from Japan. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.